For somebody to say that we kill these civilians, that person is not serious. Actually, those ones who are saying so are the ones who must go to the ICC because they are responsible for whatever was happening in Rwenzori. They know it, they planned it, they financed it. All these politicians saw whatever was, they saw the things building up. And yet everything was in their hands. If they were really patriots, if they loved the people of Kasese, they should have stopped this. These MPs should have stopped this. The fact that they failed to stop it, they must get out of parliament. They should just resign and allow other people to take over. Because they betrayed the people of Kasese and Rwenzori. They saw this coming. They saw it building up. They all knew about it. But they accepted it to reach the culmination point. And it is done. Finished. What are they talking about? So actually the people who should take responsibilities are the politicians from Kasese. Especially those opposition politicians led by their leader of opposition.
One of those politicians is the former leader of opposition and member of parliament for Kasese district. The Honorable Winnie Kaiser joins us on the show today to try to walk back in time and remember the Kasese massacre and try to reconstruct what happened so that we have a sense of closure for the people who lost their lives. Honorable Winnie Kaiser, welcome to the program, and it's good to have you.
Thank you, Solomon. It's so sad to walk back in time, remembering those moments when our people were killed in broad daylight by a government that was supposed to secure their protection, a government that was supposed to protect and defend them, because that is solely the work of the UPDF and the police forces. So sad. Over 150 people were killed, including women and children.
The army distanced itself away that there were no women or children who were killed.
If they managed to arrest other women, how would they then say there were no women killed? How do they say there were no women killed and that there were no children killed when there are women and men at the palace? It's a lie.
Let's try to build this, this story really from where it started from for my audience that perhaps may not be very knowledgeable about this incident. What was the build-up to this attack? What do you remember? You were a son of the soil in Kasese. You were a member of parliament for the entire district. You have been born and bred in Kasese. You know it at the back of your palms. What was the build-up to this attack? What do you remember? Perhaps it's good that we start there.
Well, I can say for a fact that when government decided to open up space for cultural institutions in the Constitution of 1995, Rwenzori Kingdom was among those that also sought recognition as a cultural institution. And when Rwenzori Kingdom wanted to, of course, there were those who were for the recognition of the cultural institution and those who were against. There were some politicians from
Yes, oli ku Yugi Update TV kusinzira okubanga otuwuliriza era nga nkutegeeza nti okola kyamaanyi nnyo okubeera ku mayengo gano. Ng'omukwano gwange yenna atandika kubanga otwegattako kirya wansi waliwo ekigambo subscribe kikoneko ojja kubanga otweyungako ddala bulungi nnyo. Enamba y'essimu eyo gye mulaba abagala okola advertisement, abagala okulanga, abagala advertisation, kolera naffe kubalangira business zammwe, okola adverts mwenna tubaaniriza. Enamba y'essimu gye mbamuyitako ya WhatsApp ojja kubanga otufuna gwe omukwano gwange ali eyo ampuliriza. Baganda bange bali emitala w'amayanja mbaanirizaako nnyo, abali mu diaspora mwebale kuwagira nkyukakyuka, mweba nammwe bali ku mulirwano wano e Kenya mukola kyamaanyi nnyo, kimanyi mubeerako nnyo, muwagidde enteekateeka zonna ezigenda okuba nga zireeta enkyukakyuka mu ggwanga Uganda, ng'omukwano gwange ali eyo ampuliriza. Mwebale nnyo kwagala amayengo ga channel eno, mbaaniriza mu abana subscribinga, mu abana likinga ne mu sharinga tusobole okuba nga tukulaakulanya amayengo ga channel eno. Mbaagala nnyo baganda bange era mbategeeza nti mwebale kwekumira ku Yugi Update TV. Mweraba.